Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNice for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig. This is a pre-everything wig. It is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, okay? And they got little stickies for the ear tabs because my ear tabs are lame. And it's glueless. So if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right there so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this beautiful wig install. All right, you guys, we got another UNice wig. So we got some wig caps, we got 2 hair clips, got a little goodie bag with some nails, a melting band, and some more wig caps. Then we have our wig. This is a pre-everything wig, cut, bleached, and pre-plucked. Okay, so it is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It's 24 inches, it's body wave. So inside the wig, you're gonna get an extra elastic band and some extra tape to glue down your ear tabs. All right, so here is a look-see on the lace. This one is a little bit different than the last one. It doesn't have baby hairs on it. The hairline looks really, really natural. It should be so easy and fast to install. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so let's get into the inside of this wig. Lots of space, very, very versatile. You can do many hairstyles with this much parting space in here. You do have a 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps on the sides. And then you have your little tape strips for your ear tabs, so you don't have to worry about those lifting on the sides. The hair is nice, thick, and full. So let's go ahead and get to this. I'm all finished. I'm all finished styling the hair, you guys. It actually came out really, really nicely. The lace is melting. The ear tabs look so beautiful. I love this little deep side swoop I did with the little baby hair. It is still glueless, you guys. It's still a glueless unit. So very, very convenient, very, very versatile wig. Absolutely gorgeous. This hair will definitely hold a curl for a long time, so I'm not worried about that at all. But yes, the hair is super, super beautiful, you guys. I hope you guys loved it. I love this. It's so freaking cute. So make sure you guys check out the description box for this pre-everything wig, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, you guys. So and you get a little tape for your ear tabs, so you don't have to worry about them ear tabs, you guys. It's Elaine. Make sure you get you one of these. All the information is in the description box. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.